Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ifia if you're new here, and to my returning subscribers, I do appreciate you guys so much. So in today's video, it's going to be about things you should not bring to the university. So upon clicking this video, I very well know you've bought admissions, or maybe you might have been admitted to any of the universities, be it TTU, University of Ghana, University of Cape Coast, UDS, UEW, any university at all. So today I'm going to guide you all, the freshers, on things you shouldn't bring to the university. So I have things I've listed down here that I'll be looking through to guide you guys. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I have here is trunk and chobos. Like, why? Why will you bring trunk and chobos to school, like to uni or to college? Trunk and chobos is don't mind the background. Trunk and chobos are meant for high school, and even in high school, some people rather bring traveling bags instead of their trunk. So yeah, trunks and chopsticks are not allowed at the uni. Like, don't bring it at all if you don't want to be a topic for the semester or the year. The next thing is television sets. Like, tell me, why will you bring television to school? Why? Like, there are certain things that are of no need. Yeah, like television sets like this. You are purposely or you are mainly here, or you be coming to school to learn. Though televisions are a form of entertainment, but it's not really a necessity. And even at the halls of the school, or even some of the hostels have televisions. Yeah, but the halls of the school have JCR, where you can go watch your favorite shows, and maybe where the guys also watch their football matches and stuffs. And the next thing is washing machine. Like, why would you bring washing machine to school? Even if you don't know how to wash, like, okay, let's say this is the time you'll be coming to learn how to. Yes, so there is no need for you to carry washing machine from your house to campus. Like, why? If you don't want to wash too, there are laundry services around where you can send your clothes for them to wash for you. So there is no need for you to carry washing machine to school. Yeah. And the next point is full scalp notes. Like, I know, like, it will be in your mind that, oh, we're going for classes, we're going for lectures, so you have to jot certain things down. Yeah, you have to, but it's not everything that you should jot down. I personally, I didn't bring notebook, but I brought exercise books. So I would say you should bring exercise books in place of notebooks, because I know some people even bring teachers lesson notes. Like, why? You're not coming to write plenty things. It's just that you're coming to write certain points down of which you refer later when the class is over. So just bring an exercise book for your note taking and all of things. Yeah, and don't bring mattresses. Yeah, especially for the school halls. Mattresses are already there, yes, and some of the hostels too have mattresses. But so if you are coming to the school hall, you shouldn't bring mattresses. And if you'll be going to a hostel, you should first check whether the hostel or the place you'll be going to settle has a bed or not. So if you already know that, then you shouldn't bring mattress from home to school, since the school already has one for you. Yeah, and you shouldn't bring fridge, yeah, refrigerator. Well, you can bring, but when you're coming to the school hall, yeah, that one will be kind of a problem, because for TTU like this, the place is really small, the rooms are very small. So if you are bringing a fridge, you might not know if your roommates will also be bringing one. So for the first semester, it's not really a necessity, but you can come and then check whether though no one will be bringing fridge before you can bring your own. Other than that, it's not really a necessity to bring fridge in the first semester when coming to school. And the next point is gas cooker or hot plate. Yes, but it you like this, hot plates are not acceptable. Yes, so you should bring gas cookers. For me, when I was coming to school, I didn't know, so it was on my mind that I would bring electric stove. Yeah, but I knew someone from the school who told me no, electric stoves are not acceptable, so I had to bring gas cookers. Yeah, so depending on your schools, certain schools don't accept gas cookers, but they accept hot plates or gas sorry, or electric stoves instead. So you should know, you should get information on where you'll be going to, on which to decide whether you send hot plates or gas stoves or cylinders. And the next thing is, don't pack too much clothes. Yeah, for here it's very crucial, and I'm not telling you things to bring and what not to bring, but for your clothes, don't pack too much. Like some people just bring like 5, 6, 7 suitcases. Like, why? It's just in your first semester, so you are just coming to study the school, the environment. When you're schooling at a place like University of Education, see that place is close to the sea, so definitely the weather there will be cold, especially in the mornings and at night. So you should first get to the school to study the weather or the environment before you decide on the clothes to bring to school. Don't pack like 6 suitcases to school, because when the semester is over, you'll be carrying all those bags. So let's say you're staying at Tamale, or you're coming from Eastern region and you're schooling at maybe Kumasi, you will have to pack all those things home. Yes, because you won't be allowed to keep them at the school hostel. Yes, so I think these are some things you should not pack to the university. So I'll be making another video on what you should pack for uni. Yeah, so upon clicking this video, I very well know you've been admitted, so congratulations on your admission, and make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.